Alright, you've got your list made, you've got your follow-up messages ready. Now is the fun part, getting subscribers. To get subscribers, you need to create a form. You can go over to Forms. Now the first method is just the simple method. You give people this link right here. You can actually click it, and it'll say subscribe to and your list name. They can enter their name and email and subscribe. So it's really that easy. Or if you want to go back and make your own forms, this is where you can have some real fun. I'm going to show you how to generate a form. Now this title is here for your own use, so I can say, you know, my blog form. Thank you pages. These are the pages that, you know, subscribers, when they first enter their name and email and click submit, this is where they will go. Now if you don't put anything in here, we'll put a message that says, great, now go check your email for the confirmation link. Really basic, really simple. But if you want to get crazy and have your own thank you page, you can design it, put it on your website, and then enter the URL here. There are also services that let you design pages and whatnot that you could use, and you just stick the link here. So in my example, I've got a thank you page at thanks.html. Now these next options, these are for even more advanced users. I encourage you to play with them, you know, learn more about them because they can be powerful. The first one, hide my thank you page. If you're giving a special download or offer or whatever for subscribing, you can check this box off, and we will do our best to make sure people can't figure out where you're trying to send them after they hit submit. It's not 100%, you know, cheat proof or whatever, but it's helpful. The next thing is pass subscriber information to your thank you page. If you are a coder or you're using a script or a service that can use this, you just check it off, and then you select the mode. It's either post or get. What happens is this thank you page, if you've got it set to get, then when somebody goes here, they'll end up at thanks.html, and then it'll say question mark email equals, and I'll say Tim Linden at Outlook, and name equals Tim Linden. That's what it'll do. And if you've got a JavaScript or PHP code or whatnot, it could actually take that information out. Some cool things you can do with it. Your thank you page could actually recommend someone else's product or service, which I think mine does. Yep. Here I say you might also hit exchange news. Well, having this option, I could have it autofill that form for them so they don't have to retype in their name and email address, and then I'm sure John would get more subscribers as a result, which is pretty cool. But that's an advanced feature. You don't need to use it. The confirmed page, this is similar to the thank you page, but instead of saying, hey, go confirm your email address, it's, hey, you're on the list. It's perfect for putting downloads. It's perfect for just saying thanks, or like I do with John, saying, hey, maybe you're interested in this list. Again, you can hide it or not hide it. And then finally, you've got a conversion image. This is powerful because if you're tracking subscribers, but say your thank you page, say you don't even have any of this stuff. This is all blank. You don't know how to do any of that. You just got your tracker, and you're told to put this image on your thank you page, and you don't even know how to do that. All you have to do is stick that image code right in here, and we'll do the rest. It's supposed to be that simple. I don't know why nobody else does this, but we decided to say, hey, look, put it here. Whether you fill this form out, check any of these boxes, do any of this stuff, we will make sure that tracker image gets a hit when the subscriber subscribes. And then you can check here. You can decide, all right, basically if you have it unchecked, it'll show on your thank you page. If you have it checked, it'll show on your confirmation page. That's a really personal preference to you. I like to know when somebody's confirmed their email address, so I would check it off, and then, you know, when the person sees the thank you page, the conversion image doesn't get hit. But once they click the confirmation link in their email, they get shown the confirmed page, then the image shows up. It's another advanced technique that I really encourage you to try out. We've really made it a lot easier than it used to be, and it's really powerful because if you know where your subscribers are coming from, then you can get more subscribers. Because if right now you're getting 5 subscribers a day, or maybe 5 a week, or 5 a month, that's great, but if you don't know where they're coming from, how will you find more subscribers? So if you're tracking, that's how you know. And we have a little link. We actually have a tracker service that we created called track.me. We made tracking really simple, and basically what we did with RocketResponder is we emulated track.me. We said, alright, how do we take autoresponders and make it just as simple as track.me is, so that way newbies, average people, or even people like me who wonder why it has to be so difficult can use an autoresponder and just it be easy and fun. So if you don't have a tracker or you are frustrated with your tracker, I totally recommend track.me. Click that little link over there and go sign up. And there you go. And then I'm going to click on generate form. Of course, I already took that stuff out. Oh well. But I'll hit generate form, and then 2 things happen. One, I got the form code here, so you can cut and paste that to your blog, your squeeze pages, wherever. And then 2, if you filled out the form title, you'll have a link, and that link will let you, just like the other one on the simple page, give it to people to subscribe. The only difference is this link will have these settings in here. So if you set up a thank you page, if you check these boxes, and then you hit generate, this page will actually have that settings for you. So you don't even have to host it, you don't even have to get the code, you put in your settings and hit generate and you've got your link. It's that easy. And then finally, saved forms. That's where you go to get your forms that you've already saved. So that's how simple it is, and I hope you guys really enjoy the simplicity. There's been a lot of people who are like expecting more work to be done to get this done, but I mean we go down as simple as just here's the link. So enjoy, have fun, play with this stuff. If you don't know any of it, I really encourage you to try to understand all these advanced features, because they're really powerful. That's as much as I can say. So thanks for watching the video. I think next we're going to show you how to set up your blog, because it's so easy yet so powerful. It's awesome. You're gonna love it. Alright, stay tuned for the next video.